Hello everybody, hi to all. Today I want to open this lock. This is new lock of this brand in my collection. Yesterday my friends from locksmith service give me present, and I'm happy. Why not? This is nice. Enter nice in my collection of this brand. So this is dimple lock, have 6 pins and 2 row of pins, but 1 row of 4 pins. This is passive pins, just for test key. So here we have second row 6 pins. This is active pins. We need to pick them. So we try. I not feel good, but I believe this not make problem in picking process. Just a moment. Okay, nice. And a little I want to, no, come on. Okay, good. So we have here two pins, high position, and we need not touch them. Okay, and nice. Nice. So this is test after picking. Yes. Oops. Nice. Germany engineering. Looking nice. I think so. Together. Excellent. Perfect. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.